sits and works on a laptop for a long time. While using it, he felt uncomfortable because the chair was adjusted to the height of the monitor and the desk and received the opinion that the chair is needed to prevent the turtleneck. When we conducted a survey on the perception of the posture correction chair, using posture correction chair for a long time was the biggest inconvenience. Moreover, 86% were willing to buy a chair, and correction effect was the most important among the function of the chair. Based on these data, we have set the direction of item development. We plan to target the office workers and students who work in a chair for a long time, and apply the function that a footrest rises when the posture is incorrect, and the footrest falls only when the back of the knee is pulled and seated correctly. To obtain more professional knowledge, we interviewed a sports trainer and doctor. Both of them said users should recognize the posture and move frequently rather than physically stimulating the waist of the correction. Therefore, we aim to develop a chair that recognizes posture by itself and forms proper posture habit. Through CFP, we study the angle of the back of the chair and footrest that can induce the right posture. From this experiment, by dividing the angle of the footrest into 4 steps, from 90 degrees to 180 degrees, it was found that when the angle of the footrest is 160 to 180 degrees, the legs were pulled and the back was automatically stretched to seat. When we experience by user experience, users are classified as those who sits on the edge of the chair, who lies down and crossing legs when sitting on a chair. Through these feedbacks, the backrest was made in ergonomic curved shape, and the height had to be improved reliably. This is prototype process, created to find the most suitable chair shape to maintain correction posture. The first and second prototype were made based on pushing the back with the waist. However, an expert said applying force to waist can have a negative effect, so we amended. Next is the introduction of 105 chair.
오케이, 엔딩만 가볼게요. 엔딩 어떻게 할 거예요?
하고 이렇게 한 다음에 next is the introduction of 105.
그다음에 이제 설명 가는 거잖아요.
네.
설명.
아니 그다음에 여기 제품 영상.
제품 영상이 있어요? 오케이. 영상팀 들었어요? 영상 하나 있어요. 지금 엔딩 멘트가 딱 끝나면 영상을 틀어야 돼.
User Cognitive Posture Correction Chair. 9 to 10 hours of average Korean sitting on a chair. Inappropriate posture causes chronic diseases such as VDT syndrome. Introducing the item 105 chair, which focuses on cognition rather than physical stimulation. 105 means the seat back angle with the least pressure in the user. The exterior of the 105 chair can be largely distinguished by its backrest, armrest, seat, footrest, and neckrest. We used ultrasonic sensor, Arduino board, LED diode, tack switch, electric cylinder, and motor to implement our functions. First, it is a method to correct the turtleneck and waist bending position. When the user's neck falls more than 5 centimeters from the ultrasonic sensor, in the center of the neckrest, it recognizes the wrong position and pushes the footrest up with the cylinder and motor at the bottom. At this time, the user feels uncomfortable and changes the